Dozens of homeless patients in Nashville rely on health clinics to give them the medical care they need, even if they can't pay. But now one health clinic is putting its patients on alert, as those homeless patients may lose access to a medication that many of them take. New at 6:30, News Channel 5's Jason Lamb explains how neighborhood health doctors are trying to get a hold of its homeless patients as fast as they can.
The medication is called gabapentin, and it's used to treat mood disorders, neuropathy, and other symptoms. But Neighborhood Health says it needs patients on the drug to come back to the clinic as soon as possible.
We have a good number of patients who are taking this medication now.
Neighborhood Health says several hundred of their patients rely on gabapentin. Many of them are homeless.
Our homeless patients really rely on us as their source of medications. 75 to 80% have no source of insurance, so it's not as if they can go to a pharmacy and just pay for the drugs out of pocket.
After reports of abuse involving gabapentin nationwide, this year the state legislature voted to classify the drug as a controlled substance starting next month, meaning Neighborhood Health won't be able to dispense it anymore. They're trying to alert their homeless patients to the change as fast as possible, something Neighborhood Health says is a tall order.
Doing this much outreach to the homeless population in such a concentrated period of time is a real challenge.
The clinic has been sending out text messages to homeless patients, telling them to come back to see a doctor. It's also working with the Metro Homelessness Commission and other partners.
It's just the reality that it leaves us with 5 to 6 weeks to implement a very important change that's going to affect patients that are particularly difficult to reach.
Neighborhood Health says any patient with a gabapentin prescription can come in without an appointment to talk to a doctor about their plans going forward. In Nashville, Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.